Hello and welcome. EagleView's ConnectMobile allows you to easily access your Connect account from a smartphone or tablet, meaning you can view and analyze your local imagery from anywhere you have a Wi-Fi or cellular signal. ConnectMobile is available on all smartphones and tablets running either Apple's iOS or Android operating systems. In this video, you will learn how to download, install, and log in to the ConnectMobile app. To download the app, open your device's respective app store and search for ConnectMobile. Follow your device's instructions to download and install the app. At this point, you might be prompted to grant ConnectMobile certain permissions, including access to your storage and your device's location. Granting access to your device's storage allows you to save exported images directly to your device. Granting access to your device's location allows you to use your device's GPS signal to quickly find your current location in ConnectMobile. We recommend enabling both permissions. If you are not prompted to enable these permissions, or if you prefer to enable them later, you can enable and disable these permissions in your device settings at any time. For detailed instructions, please watch our training video titled Enabling Location and Storage Permissions. After installation is complete, tap the ConnectMobile icon to open the app. At the login screen, enter your EagleView Connect credentials and tap Login. If you do not know your credentials, contact your local EagleView administrator or your EagleView representative. Thanks for watching, and remember to take a look at the complete series of ConnectMobile training videos for more information.